Today we are at 8312 Spear Way. We're gonna walk through the foyer towards the middle of the house. We have a nice formal dining area that backs up into our kitchen. As you can see, we do have a breakfast bar as well. Another breakfast nook over there through the kitchen as well. Walking back towards the back side of the house, here's our formal living area. We do have access to the backyard, carpeting throughout all the living quarters. So we'll show you another angle here. So very nice size, raised ceilings throughout. We're gonna walk into the master now. So here's our master suite. Lots of window lighting. And we do also have access to our ensuite. We have a soaker tub, separate commode area, and makeup vanity. We also have a towel closet in here as well. So here is our tub. And here is the bathroom. Now we do have a nice sized walk-in closet. So here's that closet space. Very nice size. Heading back out, we're gonna go into the first of the guest bedrooms. So we're walking out of the master suite. We're gonna take the direct right. So this could be an office or a bedroom. It does have a closet in it. And then here's our living area again. So now we're gonna walk back towards the front of the house. We have 2 bathrooms and 1 bathroom located in this area. So first we're gonna go to the front of the house. Here's that first bedroom on this side. We do have a nice closet space as well. Heading back out, we're gonna go into the bathroom, which is in the middle of the 2 bedrooms. Nice shower tub combo. And then here is that 4th and final bedroom. Good size, again, could be an office or a nursery or children's room. Now we're gonna walk through the kitchen and show you the washing area. So we're going through our breakfast nook. And here is our washer dryer hookups and access to our garage. Again, this is 8312 Spear Way, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it on our website at barronspm.com.